If you have a physical keyboard here connected to the Fire tablet and you still want to also use the on-screen keyboard here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So click on Settings and go ahead and select the option here, Fire Tablet Accessories. Go ahead, click on Physical Keyboard here. And now let's go ahead, and it's detected that we do have the keyboard here already connected. Now we're going to go ahead and select this option here, Use on-screen keyboard. Let me just put this a little bit closer here. Use on-screen keyboard. Go ahead, toggle that to the on position here. Now if you go back here, we go back to the main screen here. If you go ahead and there we go. All right, so now we can use the on-screen keyboard right there. Let me go ahead and erase it, and then I'll be able to use the physical keyboard. And that's how you go ahead and turn on that setting for the Amazon Fire tablet.